Welcome to 3156 Oakbridge Drive in San Jose. This home is located in the highly coveted senior community of Oakbridge Drive with majestic mountain views, a clubhouse community hall where you can gather with friends, play table tennis, or swim in the community pool. This 1,728 square foot home is complete with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. A hip 1970s custom bar, open and spacious floor plan with built-in cabinets, new double-paned windows, a huge backyard, and a covered front porch. This retirement community is close in proximity to shopping, dining, freeway access, and so much more. This home is the perfect place to kick up your feet and enjoy your retirement. Sometimes I wish I was still a kid. But hey, since I'm not, 3156 Oakbridge Drive right here in San Jose is a good place to be and a great place to retire. Wow.